Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be hearing me from. My name is therapist Ibukun Olutu Akoni. Um, Welcome to my channel, where we'll be talking basically on different dental problems. So today I will be discussing about calculus, or what you know to be Tata. I'll be talking about calculus and the possible dental problems caused by calculus. Okay, but first, what does calculus look like? What is calculus itself like? How do you know you have calculus in your mouth? So, if you look through your mouth or you look through the mirror to check your mouth, and you get to see this yellowish or brownish sticky stuff being stuck on the surface of your teeth or in between your teeth, yes, that is calculus. So I'll be showing to you what a calculus look like. So when you look through your screen showing right now, those are the pictures of what calculus looks like. So when you have any of these or all of these in your mouth, then you know it is time for you to come to the dental office to take them out. So now, what are the common problems caused by calculus? There's a whole lot of problems caused by calculus, but the good news is that they can actually be prevented. So what are the causes? What are the possible problems caused by this calculus or tata that can actually affect your teeth, your dentition? Number one is actually halitosis. So when we say halitosis, it is also known as bad breath or mouth odor. So if you're this one person that you have been worried about mouth breath or mouth odor, one of the possible causes could be that you already have accumulation or accumulated calculus or tartar in your mouth. So what other causes? Tooth holes. So there are some people that they often come down with holes in their teeth and they feel like, oh, is this generational problem or whatsoever? No. So one of the leading cause of tooth holes or teeth holes is the accumulation of calculus. And accumulation of calculus is actually due to poor oral hygiene. Most times you might be doing your normal brushing and if possible flossing, but then you're having accumulation of calculus. Is a show to tell you that you need at least every 6 months dental visits to take out the calculus through scaling and polishing. What other thing does calculus also cause? We have caries. So you might be wondering why I'm mentioning caries and then tooth hole. So they're actually different. Tooth hole is also known as dental cavity, while caries is different. However, most times when you have tooth caries rather, or teeth caries, you often come down with tooth hole. So what really happens is that over time, when you already have the caries present and actively going in your teeth, right? Then over time, your tooth and then bleeding of the gum. When you have accumulated calculus in the mouth or accumulated tartar, yeah, the tendency of bleeding while you're brushing becomes very, very high. And that is why we advise that you take care of calculus. How do you take care of calculus? Not just by brushing regularly. Number one way of taking care of calculus, if you already have calculus in your mouth, is doing scaling and polishing. One thing about scaling and polishing is it doesn't just help to remove calculus or plaques or tartar as you know it to be, but it also takes care of stains caused by either alcohol or smoking, that is for smokers. So then I'll be advising you today that you do well to think removing calculus. And one thing I want you to know for sure is the moment you start taking care of calculus formation or preventing calculus formation in your mouth, then you should know that you are already on your way to prevent a whole lot of dental problem, which dental hole and cavity, dental cavity, dental hole, and dental caries is among them. Thank you.